Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. How are you all doing today? I truly hope you're doing well and that everything is going great. Okay guys, so in today's video, we're back again on Pocket account. First of all, I'll try to carefully set up the levels here. We set up these levels so that we can get a much clearer indication of the current trend, helping us to fully understand exactly in what way the trend is running here. Okay, so it looks like this level can be a difficult challenge to successfully complete. We need to add the level with the most touches here. As you can clearly see on the chart right now, it's touching the level here and it's touching here as well. All right, so this specific zone right here is what we call our resistance zone. The market is consistently getting rejected from the upside and coming back down, which clearly indicates that sellers are very active at these price levels. Okay, let's see guys, let's take a moment to observe exactly what kind of sentiments are forming here. If this current candle forms a solid green candle and gives us a definitive closing just below the level that I am about to mark for you right now. Alright, if the market gives a closing right here below this level, then we can take a trade for the downward direction for sure. This is because here we have first a resistance level, this is the upper side zone, and second our must level. You can see it's also touching here, this Vitara Beta. So if the market gives a closing on the downside, then we can surely go for a downward direction guys, and I think the market can give a closing on the downside as well. So let's see. Okay guys, so here I have placed an order for a downward move. If we get a closing on our side here, then I will take a trade for the downward direction. So here we have made a prediction for one red candle. Now if the market goes a little higher, I will take another trade because our safety margin will also be there. So we have placed all 21 trades here. Alright guys, okay, so we've placed quite a few trades right now, and I strongly believe that here the market should move downward, gradually forming some solid red candles. If our lower candle, the trade we opened at the lower level, ends up resulting in a loss, then the multiple trades at the upper level have a much higher chance of being profitable. This is because we've strategically placed a trade here at one specific level according to a safety margin to protect our capital. Alright guys, so let's see, 12 seconds left here, and this trade could be profitable for us. Let's wait guys. Okay, so it is becoming a red candle. It is a red candle guys. We won this trade. You can see here what sentiment I used. First of all, I set a level here which was indicating our trend. All right, if we look according to the trend, since the market is at this level, there is a higher chance of a reddish candle forming in the market. So that's what I observed. The second thing is a green candle had formed and I set a level. When we are considering selling, here we were looking at selling opportunities. So according to our selling strategy, this is the key level to watch. If the market price stays on the upper side of this zone, then we can definitely go for a potential downside trade right here. Normally, I execute it right at this point, as that's where I usually place the trade for a downward move. But for an extra safety margin, you can see that because we know a red candle will likely form, we can set a specific level from where we can take a good downside trade. All right, I really hope you were able to understand these things the way I tried to explain them to you. And another thing here is that our level is set for this specific reason, okay? The market will definitely try to touch this level. A red candle will form on the downside, guys, and right here, the market has touched our level. Look, all right, so these are the kinds of circumstances we have in the market. When we observe the market, we can't just look at one thing, whether a red candle will form, a green candle will form, or the law of things that the market can touch this level. We also need to consider what candlestick psychology says and what the trend indicates. And then as I'm telling you about these minor but very important levels in the market, this point here and that point there, when it touches here and when it touches there, what exactly do these levels indicate? According to that, we have to draw these circles here. So trading doesn't mean that if you know just one level, you'll simply trade based on that level. There are quite a lot of different things that you will definitely have to manage first, and then you can finally take a trade. Okay, so I think there could be a potential upward entry right here, right? And I have already placed a trade for the upward move. Let's see. Here, I'll also show you by adding the specific levels, because if you look at a completely naked chart, you won't be able to understand things as clearly as you should. As much as an experienced trader can understand, you can see that right here. We can see some pretty clear levels here, which show us that the market was in a very strong zone and I placed a trade in a simple movement. All right, okay, I'll add even more levels here to make it clearer. All right, so the market can also move upwards to touch this level. So that's one scenario. Second, this is a pretty strong level for us, and there are chances that a green candle could form here. All right, if a bearish red candle forms right here, then the market scenario will be different than before. All right, guys, so I have presented it here for download because the way we took the previous trade for wine, it did go upwards here, right? The market did go up, but now I feel that if the market is giving a breakout to the downside, here our breakout has happened. Now, if a breakout has happened, then the market can go to a pretty significant level, and up to which level can it go? I'm going to show you exactly what I mean right now by marking it clearly on the chart, okay? So this specific area is the level down to which the market will likely try to move downwards. So right now there could be some very strong momentum with several red candles appearing here. All right, okay, so let's wait, guys. Although after touching this level, the market should form a red candle. Let's see what the scenario is here, whether it touches this, touches that. Now, there could be a chance for a candle to form here. So these scenarios, these sentiments, we should be aware of them. We only get to know about them when we've spent time in the market, when we've spent time trading in the market. There can be particular types of markets to consider, guys. And okay, guys, so now we have come over to the CAD JPY currency pair. What exactly can I do here in CAD JPY? Let's take a much closer look, guys. Let's look right here and see what we can do. If I go ahead and set a clear level right here, after that, we'll take a look at things to see how things are currently working. This is a significant level right here. If we extend it out, then actually we can see that the market really wants to break through that level. So we are definitely going to go for a downward direction, guys. I have placed 3 trades right here for the downward move. Guys, if you take a close look at the overall sentiment here, and if you look at the whole market structure, the market clearly wants to go in the downward direction. The market really wants to move down, so I have taken these trades here for the downward direction. Okay, and also our breakout has officially happened here as well. So it can be a very good thing for us because the trend is always our friend, right? We are following the momentum of the market to maximize our success. I will place this level here, and if I copy it and set it at this level, then the market wants to touch that particular level. And here, the sentiment shown by the 2 red candles indicates that the market is in a downtrend, right? The second thing is that our breakout has happened. The first thing is that these 2 red candles have formed. The second thing is that our breakout has occurred here. And the third thing is that the market wants to touch that particular level. So 3 things are happening here, which means a red candle can form here. We have placed a trade here. So let's see. Okay, so it is a winning trade, guys. Okay, so I want to tell you, no, this is not final advice, okay? This video is not final advice, and I am trading based on my own research. I am absolutely not recommending that you do trading as well because, guys, trading is very risky. So if you want to get into trading, do your own research and only invest here according to your own judgment because there are losses here too. Don't think that it's always profit. There can be losses as well. There are a lot of people who lose here, okay? So make sure you trade carefully. Okay, guys, now I will place one more trade. I think we have covered quite enough for today, and we have managed to make a substantial profit as well. I really hope you enjoyed it, so I will see you in the next video. But until then, guys, I want to say thank you so much to everyone for watching this video. Bye-bye.